Now, where to start, guys? The car is really being intentionally used in the past as a daily driver, and it really shows. We maintain the if it ain't broken, don't fix it mentality, so some of the parts can do with some replacing. Especially as the car has been stored for nearly 7 years. Like I said in the introduction video, this is not going to be a restoration of some sort. We are mainly going to focus on replacing worn and broken parts and just enjoy the car as it is. We are going to use it as a daily driver and we'll sort out all the little things and the cosmetic things as we go. Here you can see one of the things that happen while working on old cars. Sometimes bolts will break. Luckily this was quite easily fixed. Looking at this engine, it's hard to imagine that it was once red. All Minis engines will typically paint it with paint that does not come off easily, so this is all oil and dirt. As you can see, the car was originally red. The engine bay was sprayed while the engine was still in the car, so not all panels were covered nicely. The interior is actually quite okay, but I'll make some videos later with better lighting when the car is nearly done. The brakes are on my list to be replaced, and I will be replacing them with all new and upgraded parts. Things like water pumps are really cheap, so only a fool will keep this open on the car. This one also has a bypass connection, while my cylinder head does not have a bypass connector, so sketchy things have been done to the past to this engine. Rubber cones are also crucial, and you really have to replace them when they are worn, and replacing them can be a little bit tricky. I had never done this before, and I struggled to take this little nut off until I realized that it is welded to the body, which made it a lot easier than I thought. So yeah, every day we learn something new. This example shows clearly why you should always check all parts on all the cars. Just imagine if I did not replace these brakes and had to do an emergency stop. We had 4 more Minis in the past, and on all of them the wipers stopped wherever they were located when you turned off the stock. But apparently this is not how it should be, and replacing this cheap part solves that problem. This was just a quick overview on the general state of the car. In the next videos I will be showing you some of the parts that I have bought and possibly take you through the assembly process. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, and subscribing would be really appreciated.